the taller I become.
All right, now we're at the Jamaica Conference Center. Nice shot with that fisherman just now. A nice look downtown Kingston. And you said it's summertime, so we're out of studio. All right, so before the break, he at the Smile stage, hanging out with us here at the Conference Center, the Jamaica Conference Center, is recording artist Ghost. Boy, the man make plenty noise.
Carlton voice, big like a house.
You know you did that so early in morning, man.
Wow.
Welcome, my friend.
I don't want to tell you, say, get the best of part, advice that you because me just wake up.
Yeah.
Can you imagine if it wait till like 12 o'clock?
But let me tell you something, it makes absolutely no sense.
Yeah,
Carlton, that you speak like that,
Yeah,
and that voice come out of you a while
yeah.
ago.
You know, see, I have to ask God.
Yeah.
Because, I never wake up one day and say me I try to sing from. Ever since I know myself, my mom told me that,
You've been singing.
yeah, maybe I make be a nice from a long time. I say, you know, shut up, you. Sure.
It's a good
But
thing you didn't.
let's start there. The fact that you mentioned that your voice so early. Do you do voice training? How do you get yourself ready to perform? Because sometimes you'll be on the stage for like an hour, maybe even more. How do you get ready for that?
Well, before, I can't tell the first one. Voice training for me in the early part wasn't, I never know about that part till I met Bob Supreme and specialists. So you can imagine, say, as an artist, young artist from them time. Because remember me coming out of sitting as a young child star,
How old are you?
Right now?
No, how old were you when you started?
When I really get established in this business, them time me about 6, 7.
7 years old?
Oh yeah, man.
God.
Yeah, go and listen to me. My mother and father wasn't the type of parents where, them was type was out there. I look it. So as them gone, and the pan them are not.
Yeah,
Them
they.
come from,
Yeah,
them come from downtown,
Yeah.
they go out there.
Yeah.
Them time me are back with police. You look back to. You know what I say?
Yeah.
So anyway, so the vice training time coming in time, I met Miss Grange, and them send me vice training. But before that I was singing and sound, them come for me, I'm actually to go up and sound, Ninja Man and some other people coming for me. So, we have dance and them time then. Do them know, because they come from the lane and saw my talent and me. I said, okay. I was just an instrument that they were using and I love it.
So how the name Ghost? It's a very interesting story.
Oh boys, you only have time for me to tell you?
Yeah.
Why? Same thing me I say, because remember as I was telling you, as I was telling you.
You love to that
Pop
story.
tour about, come to my pop tour about.
I love it.
Anyway, I was in country. Them time I was back and forth from Clarendon to Kingston. Because my father is a Kingston and my mother is a Clarendonian. That is Rocky Point. Anyway, down there at a tender age about 7 or so, hungry killed me. Saw one of my friends with a piece of bread. Same as though it happened, I see me at him, I not plaster it up. I get straight. So I pass with the bread and I say, yo! That piece of bread, no. And I said, yo, come feed, because it was across the road, From me over the side and me over that side. So I said, come feed the bread, and I said, yeah, man, me I come out, not looking up the road, around the road, I bread me, focus, pan. By going for the bread, you just see, by come and boom, and lick me, and here, so I go up my head, like sky, and come down and hit my mouth on the sidewalk. And I wake up in the hospital and, where the bread there, where the bread?
Where is the bread?
In the hospital.
That time, but I followed that something, you say, where the bread is. Them time there, my teeth was in my nose.
Where do you say they fell on your mouth, which means there was significant
so
damage?
my teeth fell right up my nose. Woo. So anyway, my face swole. So them could operate for me in a kind that. So they took me to town. Anyway, when my friend them saw my original friend from town saw me and see me and I said, no, so you leave from town and go to country and come back and look like ghost. So every time them see me, they say, yo, ghost, you don't come play ball. Yo, this and that and when they get it, when them start calling your name,
Why are we like this?
Worse if you don't like it. Worse if you don't like it.
I end up like it because we're not too pretty.
It's just if you don't like it, and then them rub it.
Somebody lose them hand, they become one. I don't Jamaicans, why are we like this?
I can understand one of the ghost thing, I'm not certain I can understand.
Well, them I tell man say look like double. That's what you
I
say.
have a friend who they name Dracula, Barney, Plug.
Plug.
I want to you, man, Plug, that friend running in Plug.
Why they call plug?
The guy knows big.
and I guess the name start as Plug. Maybe them call him Pluggy.
I plug in the one
It start as Plug, and the man just say, Pluggy, come in.
Tell me now.
You look fatal, brother. Come in, fatal.
Tell me now, because we could go down this road for a long time. Let's bring it back to your music. And you've been in this since you were 70s. That's a long time, Ghost. But your name is still strong. You are still relevant.
Thank you.
How do you make sure you do that? Because the music has changed so much.
Well, I've always tried to be relevant pertaining to what genre or how the youth them change them style. As you can see what's going on right now, the music changed drastically.
Yeah, chopper.
When we just come into the business, it was vinyl. Meaning, you put out a 45 and you print up 100 copy and you sell it off. Now, it moved from vinyl to CD, from CD to thumb drive, and it gone at the ear.
In the club.
In the club. You put out music, you put it at the ear and say, people, you know, some have a brand new music.
It's in the club.
So when I tune.
I say, I wait there.
Yeah.
I said so. I said, see it up there. See it that clown there. It's that clown.
I have to know that to myself. I have to change with the time I know. Okay. Yes, it's no more sound box. It's no more stage show. Stage show still a go on, but you have to be relevant by putting out the music. And this is what I've been doing. And the past with me was that I was singing a lot of cover. You know, I mean, never know better still because in them time the people was just using me. I was telling us when I said that was an instrument for whole people just saw the talent and was use it.
But it
and
got you
I mean, just love it coming. What? Where say you want me go? Where you want me go? Wait, I'm done. But I catch myself at one point because at the end of the day, sing over lovely and nice, but
it doesn't pay you.
No pension.
Publishing, correct.
Celine
Can I get a hey man?
Celine Dion called me one time after I put out Love You album and said, I must took that song off the album. And the company was like, why? And it was like, the name of the original song that she put out was To Love You More. And I call it Waiting For You on my album. And then I said, no man, don't take it off yet. Make she call it back.
Celine wasn't called it 2 times.
No, she don't call it back. But it's still an album. And we remastered the album and put back out the album July this year of this year. And I go on with it. Good thing. Because I remember I said the album never was out for about 15 years ago.
Biggest song and biggest show you ever did?
We can't count because I'm not lie.
You can't count the show or the song? This is the biggest song for you, whether by sales or popularity.
Or even your own.
It could only be one. I would say Bodyguard, Love You, Nothing At All, Do You Believe? Biggest show that be when I come out of a sting. When I was hosting a concert in St. Martin, the place ran from back to forth and ambulance have a driving at the show and I take out people because people just afraid.
Michael Jackson brother.
Well, I know when you come out of the coffin.
No, they never know some come out of the coffin and sting. Where you come from? Never. I'm talking from
come out of the coffin.
Yeah.
But he's a ghost. What is he going to do?
Start sing before you come out? Like.
No, I'm going to the coffin backstage.
Yeah.
6 person lift up the coffin also. I'm there the coffin and I say, oh, I feel nice, innit? And then culture after I reach past stage, culture so we make some special effect and then tell me about the coffin because there was a lot of powder. We make sure powder so they up here. And inside the milk I push out some water. So it look like some smoke out there. And the whole you need to find that clip, man.
I need to find it. All right, we'll get more performances from Ghost later on. Stay with it. Don't move.
No, we want more story. We want performance, but ghost stories are just.
Yeah.
Get it? Ghost stories? Get it?
Get it. But on the other side of the break, your thoughts on the best thing about being a dad. We soon come. Stay with it.